Akala mo dahil nasa abroad ka, hindi mo kailangan ng Kaiser? Think again. Maraming OFW ang nagsasabi, insured naman kami dito sa abroad. Dito na kami mag-retire. Pero, real talk lang. Yung health insurance mo ba ngayon, covered ka pa rin pag uwi mo ng Pilipinas? Yung employer-based insurance mo ba, active pa rin kahit mag-reside ka o umuwi for good? Reality check. Kaiser is designed for your future in the Philippines. Long-term healthcare coverage, insurance, and investment. Pwede mong gamitin pag uwi mo. Kahit ayaw mo pa ngayon, darating ng araw, uwi at tatanggapin. And here is the clincher. Ang Kaiser, hindi mo kailangan ng employer para ma-enjoy ito. Ikaw ang may control, ikaw ang may choice. Be wise. Prepare for your healthcare habang malakas ka pa at kumikita. Kahit nasa abroad ka, huwag kalimutang uuwi ka pa rin ng Pilipinas. Kaiser is not just an insurance. It's your retirement healthcare plan. Message me to know how to start.